After compression, the sponge is only a thin piece, making it easy to transport and store. It is highly absorbent and will expand rapidly when exposed to water, making it soft to the touch. If you accidentally spill the milk, don't worry, it can be wiped up quickly. In addition, when you don't like its shape, you can also DIY a shape you like. Of course, we also provide customized services. Are you still worried about oil pollution? Compressed sponge easily removes oil stains and is a great helper in the kitchen.